Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to this. So basically I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved these beautiful faux locks. So this is where we're at right now. Honestly, like, they're very easy to do. Like, it's so crazy, but like, they're so very easy to do. The only thing that I don't like is that they're so thick, because my braids were very small. Like, my parts were small, so I wish my parts were bigger, but we're gonna make it work. Honestly, I love it so far. You see how thick it is? It's like so thick. I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing them. They're like so easy, like so easy, easier than I actually thought. Cute and easy, that's what we want, right? Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using this hair, dang, it won't focus, but it's Missy Faux Locs curly tips. I got them from the hair store. I'm pretty sure you can get this anywhere. Oh, there you go, there you go. And I'm also using this Merly braid, this Merly hair. So yeah, all right guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing it. So obviously they come, like, I didn't do this whole thing, but they come already pre-prepared, I guess, prepared already. Like, they come already done. I just crochet these into my braid. I'm using a crochet hook, of course. So I get this and then just put it in there and then close it. Boom. And then after that, I grab this and my hair and just put it in there and then pull it. See? And then I get the Merly hair. I already cut these up. Like, they're obviously longer, but I cut them up just because I don't need that, like, that much. So I get this and wrap it around. So I'm gonna just wrap it around. Like, when I do it, I don't want to do it too tight on the bottom. Oh shoot, focus. I don't want to do it too tight on the bottom just because it hurts. I meant to say you don't want to make them tight on the bottom so that it won't hurt your scalp. But anyways, continue. There you go. Honestly, the best thing about these braids, like, you can mess up and just, it will still look good just because they're messy locks, you know. They were meant to be messy, so you just do whatever, freestyle. Basically, just freestyle, my friend. Honestly, this is like the easiest braids that I ever done on myself. So easy. I just wish my parts were bigger. I guess because I have short hair. I don't know. There you go, there you have it. And that's all that I do. I just keep on wrapping it around, and afterwards I just like to go in and just do that, and then boom, there we have it. Okay, I can't wait to get done and just, you guys, like, I still have like this whole part to do. I ran out of hair, but I'll do the front. I'll do this whole front for you guys. I'm gonna do I'm gonna show you guys like 3 times on how to do it. Okay, that was my first time. This is my second time, so make sure you're paying attention. Okay. All right, crochet hook. Make sure you got your crochet hook, girl. Go in and then boom, pull it. Stick your fingers in here. Damn. Okay. Stick your fingers in there and then grab your hair and the lock itself, and then boom, just put it inside like that. After that, you want to pull it. Okay, focus. There we go. You want to pull it. Yeah. You want to be careful with the locks because they get unraveled and it just gets a hot mess. So I'm gonna go in with Marley hair. Boom. And then twist. Honestly, these braids are like so cute to me. I'm so happy that I got to do these. I thought they were hard, but they're not even hard at all. Like, you can do this by yourself. Thanks to YouTube, right? When you don't have the time to go to get your hair done at a salon, or just don't have the money at the moment, just go on YouTube and watch some hair tutorial. You'll be good. You'll be all set. There you go. Your girl popping, okay? Damn, I'm literally out of hair, you guys. I don't even know if I even have enough for the front. I have to go buy more. Guys, let's just talk about how hair is just so expensive. Like, at least for me, like, it's so expensive for no reason. I'm like, dang, being a black girl, it's a lot of work. I mean, not that you have to get your hair done or anything. So this is the third time that I'm gonna show you guys on how I do it. I grab this. I have my crochet hook. This, I put my crochet hook inside of my braid, and then boom. There you have it. I'm pretty sure you guys got the hang of it now, you know. I'm pretty sure you got the hang of it. I'm gonna get my Marley hair and just wrap it around. There we go. Okay, so it's obviously a day later, to be honest, because I ran out of hair. But you guys, here's the finished look. I finally finished it. Like, I honestly love them. Like, I feel like a whole queen, you feel me? Like, period. I like how full it is. I know before I was saying like I don't like how thick it is, but I now like it. I don't know why. Like, what do you guys think? Look at these. I love the white in there. I honestly love these braids. They might be my to-go-to hairstyle. Like whenever I feel like, whenever I feel like doing my hair, getting my hair done, I'm just gonna do these because these are so cute. I can honestly get these 24/7. Okay, there are given, honey. But anyways, guys, we're coming to the end of the video, obviously, since my hair is done. If you like the hair and if you like the video, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, share with everyone that you know, and tell them to share with everyone that they know. Okay, stay tuned for my next video. Let's get it.
You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it on